Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Bitcoin shows a nice green candle. I mean, this could be it. This could be a potential breakout, but until we see the actual breakout, literally we remain caught in the range. And I know everybody wants a breakout, myself included, but we cannot confirm one until the breakout level is triggered and the range is actually broken. But Bitcoin has a realistic chance now after it was basically just asleep for a few days. So we're going to take a look at that now. We're only going to take a look at the 1 hour chart and the shorter time frame really. But overall, the perspective on the Bitcoin chart is bullish, as you might know if you watched previous videos. Bullish against the 47k level. That's really the level against which we focus on higher, because only a break below that level would change the scenario. There's literally no change to the scenario as long as we're holding above the 47k level. And my perspective is, and has been for the most, well, for the last few weeks actually, for the last month, that we are in a 5-wave move to the upside from the 23rd of January low. I count the move up as a wave 1, a wave 2, a wave 3, a wave 4, and this could now be the start of the wave 5. It's a little bit too early to confirm that until we get a break, a sustained break or a decisive break above the next resistance. We're going to zoom in and take a look at that now. But as I mentioned before, we have a support area on the chart. Only a break below $47,000 would change this scenario. What does it mean, change it? Well, I mean, we already have our, let's say, backup plan on the chart. It is possible that instead of the scenario that wave 4 bottomed on the 23rd of January and we're now in a wave 5, it's possible that wave 4 never finished and that instead we're dealing with a more extended A, B, C flat structure in which the current rally was only a B wave, which is possible because it is entirely possible to count the move up as ABC, as a 3-wave move. So I'm counting it as either an ABC or in the white count 1, 2, 3, with now possibly a wave 4 completed and then with one more high to come in wave 5. So it's pretty clear actually. There is one line in the sand. I've been very, very clear about that. As long as we don't break below that level, the focus is on higher prices. But this is the level, and that's really the benefit of the analysis, to understand what's the line in the sand, what's the scenario where we have to expect a change in structure. Okay, at least on the micro level. I mean, again, don't forget, we're only looking at the 1 hour chart here. So even a break of the micro structure would not change the bigger picture. It wouldn't change the overall situation on this chart. Now let's zoom in. So the idea is that it's absolutely possible that this rally here is, that this rally is already the wave 5. The idea is that, yep, wave 4 could have completed here on the 24th of Feb, but that would have to be a WXY structure. So it's a structure I naturally don't trust, but it might be worth to explore possibly the unfolding of a 5-wave pattern to the upside now from that last swing low on the 24th of Feb, because this could be a wave 1, a wave 2, a 3, a 4, and a 5. And depending on how high the third wave goes, I mean, we get another nice extension. But that's sort of what I think is reasonable, especially if we get a sustained break above that green line, but it has to take it above 52,863. It is a bullish market, you know that. Pullbacks can be shallow, and as I said in the last video, it is absolutely possible that this correction will never see a support area. For example, if we just see a very shallow correction, or if we see something like a triangle. But we didn't see a triangle, but possibly a shallow correction. Bitcoin tries to break out. Could still be a high B wave at this stage, but it looks promising. And let's see if we can get to the next resistance. So our immediate resistance is at 52,860. Above that level, 54,360, and then 57,150. Then above that level, I still have the larger degree Fibonacci level, and that's at 58,800. I'm just going to zoom out quickly. Yeah, and you see it here on the chart. Where is it? Here. the 1.236 extension of the larger cycle. So basically what we're looking for is a higher price still, possibly stretching into the 57, 58K region over the coming weeks. But first we need to form a low. That low could have happened already, especially given that green candle is the strongest green candle probably that we've had in... So last time we had it here around the 14th of February. Bear in mind, there's only the 1 hour chart, so it's not anything major here. But we would finally be able to get out of this long and boring range if we can finally get that breakout to the upside. On the flip side, I know it looks bullish now, but things can turn around at an instant. If we see a break below that last swing low again at 51,050, then we are likely going to we're going to enter probably the orange box, which starts support at 50K and goes down to 47. So what can I say? Momentum is up. Yeah, momentum has turned on, which is pretty good. And let's see if it fills in these nice 5 waves to the upside, so that it can also make a new high. By the way, after this larger third wave then, we should see a larger degree fourth wave. Here. So if the third is finished, we should get another pullback and then another extension higher in wave 5. So all of this, or this white structure, should take us basically into the direction of new all-time highs. That's my update about Bitcoin. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.